It's the bizarro world of Twitter and Elon Musk. We've gotten a motion that's been filed by Musk for the judge to basically stay the litigation. This is something we've been waiting for, but we've been hoping it would be, or I shouldn't say we, investors have been hoping it would be a joint stipulation, going through all the points and saying, yeah, we will stay the litigation on both sides. But no, this is them asking Chancellor McCormick to stay the litigation. And talking about, well, any number of reasons why it would make sense at this point. But the things that stand out are some of the questions, or at least their concerns about how long it will take to put together or for the financing banks to prepare for close, saying that funding will take time because the parties are working through a complex process of arranging that $12.5 billion of debt financing and drafting required documents, security interests, and on, Sarah. They say basically they'd hope to close by October 28th. That's a long way from now. It's one reason why the stock has continued to weaken. Don't expect Chancellor McCormick to grant the stay. That seems unlikely, as do some of the claims here about how long it would take the banks to actually get together. I mean, you know, they, as I've said many times, they have a 15-day marketing period should they choose to use it, although at this point it seems unlikely any of them would actually move forward with marketing their commitments into this current market for leverage finance. And so, you know, a lot of these claims seem somewhat hollow, but it goes back to the idea that, Sarah, we don't have a deal still. You know, we have Musk offering $54.20, saying I'm ready to come do it. But Twitter basically saying we need assurances when we drop this litigation that you're actually going to buy us, that you're not trying to pull a fast one on us. Neither side really trusts each other. And so maybe Chancellor McCormick will be able to figure it out. Maybe she'll call the parties for a hearing of some kind tomorrow. I don't know. But and then we've got weird headlines from Musk lawyer Alex Spiro talking to Bloomberg, apparently, talking about lower offers that were made. But it's, you know what? This is the world of Musk. What can I tell you? It's bizarre. And, you know, there are investors who are just choosing to say, see you later. As likely as they still may feel it is that this will close at $54.20, they don't want to take the risk.
Right. So Twitter stock is now below $50 per share, I guess. So it looks likely, right, David? They just have to get through some of these litigation and debt issues.
Yeah, I mean, the funding is not an issue. As I reported earlier, you know, people close to the funding banks indicate they are fully ready to stand up to their commitment. You know, whether they want to exercise their 15-day marketing window is certainly up to them, but it is not a function of them somehow saying we are not going to finance. And even that seems clear from the filing we just got from Musk. But beyond that, the questions are, well, you know, Twitter doesn't want to be left in any moment where they've given up the litigation and yet they haven't actually been bought. And so how they bridge that gap has sort of been something that has proved to be perhaps more difficult than they might have anticipated, Sarah, and it's something we'll continue to watch closely.
All right. Don't take your afternoon nap, David. Stay close.
And Musk will be deposed on Monday, by the way. That's what it's been pushed to. We may see that deposition happen.
Yeah, I mean, I guess if this case holds, the litigation holds as they want. David Faber, thank you very much.